Hey guys, so here's my grandfather's tackle box from the 50s. My grandparents lived in Los Angeles from 1941 to 1955. My grandfather was an avid offshore fisherman. Back then, I think he used to fish out of Cisco's up in Oxnard, and this is his tackle box. And I've had this box for 30 years. He passed away in 95, and I got this. I haven't opened up this box for at least 25 years. Maybe, it was when I first got it, I opened it up, looked inside, and I forgot about it. I was going through a cabinet, and I stumbled across this, and I thought, hey, you know what? I'm going to post this on YouTube. You guys check it out. If you guys got any information on some of the stuff that's inside of it, let me know. I'm not very familiar with this stuff. This is all, 70-year-old equipment that's in here. So let's have a look at it. Yeah, let's take a look at what's inside. Definitely tripping out on it. Yeah, they've got some, just like a iron here, feather on it. This thing probably weighs, I'm guessing this weighs 3 ounces is what this guy weighs. And then there's these, this is a surface iron here. It's got some kind of writing on it. Can't quite. Oh, I think it says Homicide 6. Yeah, he's got 2 of them in here. Yeah, this is a surface iron. It's super light. Yeah, Homicide 6. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, there's, Anison, they taking that on their fishing trip. Let's see what's inside of this thing. Oh, hook, couple of snap swivel and a regular swivel. That's funny. Yeah, check that out. That's funny. That's in there. Yeah, and check this out. Captain Jack Ward's Magic Rock Cod Magnet. This is manufactured by Cisco's Channel Island Harbor, Oxnard, California. 80-pound test. Rock Cod Canyon. I wonder how much this cost. You think this cost even $1 in 1950? Yeah, that's pretty crazy. And then, oh, look at this. Live bait leader, 7-strand. So cool that I have this. Weller Feel Core, live bait leader, another very interesting thing. Sioux City, Iowa. Then there's a tide table from 1978 for Los Angeles. My uncle moved to LA after he got out of the Vietnam War. And obviously my family did like to do some fishing. When my uncle lived there, he's the one that got me into offshore fishing way back when I was a kid. He would take me fishing. Yeah, 1978 tide table. And here's high tide, low tide. Just crazy. And check out these reels that are in here. Look at this one. Kencor. Do you guys have any idea history, how old this stuff is? Obviously it's from the 50s, but I've never heard of that brand. Kencor? Have you guys ever heard of that? What's this guy? Oh, this is an old Fluger. I don't know if you guys can read that right there. Can you guys see that Fluger? It's got some old Dacron on it, which is, you know, today it's Frayed, but I think back then they called it Dacron, if I'm not mistaken. What else we got in here? An old Penn Surfmaster. Number 200, made in the USA. Sounds like you could use a little grease. And another pen. This just says number 155. No other name on it. Pretty cool though, right? Yeah, and does anybody have any knowledge of this box? Tackle kit? I mean, it's pretty cool, right? It's got the old brass corners, handle. There's an old scale in here. I mean, Langley, made in San Diego, California. Just pretty cool, man. Look at that. Still, does it have, oh my goodness. It actually has a tape measure too. How cool is that? Yeah, if anybody's got any information on some of this stuff, let me know. I mean, it's just super cool. Well, that's Grandpa's tackle box, offshore tackle box. Interesting. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.